Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the PEPE update today. Tomorrow I'm going to open up the private, and as I said before, I do recommend most of you to join the private because I do have the plans of getting 80 to 90% profit if my plan does work out. I do have some things that I'm looking at secretly, and hopefully, if you join for September, I may give you a nice good entry that can actually give you all 80-90% profit back. So yeah, do make sure you message me, and yeah, you can join Discord. You can comment. If you're interested to join Discord, just comment Discord and I'm going to give you the link. Now the thing is that we still have the threat of the bear flag here, and we're not actually looking at any ease at the moment. It's actually making it's almost like bear flags and bear flag appearing again and again. Maybe if I do go on the 1 hour time frame here, you may actually see that we do have more and more sideways movement actually on the 4 hour time frame. So here it is, and once again you just went down, you made another flag. Okay, so this still is a very bad sign. You just went down a little bit, and if I do take the trend line here, you can see that you're starting to make another flag right over there, and the next technical target is probably going to be from top to bottom. And if I place it right over here, we might actually expect a 6390 as your next technical target out of this little bit of a flag going on. And that's all for this very quick update on PEPE. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.